Hey there, Honors World students. We are to Agriculture and Civilization, and we are just beginning this particular unit. You will finish off this unit in second semester when you take the second semester course. So first off, this one we're finally going to get to the meat of actual real history. We've done a lot of science, and now we kind of get into that, well, the stuff that, I'll be honest, that I went to school for, but we're doing it still with that big history twist, okay? And this is really where we're going to start to see acceleration happen very quickly, okay? And we get to go a little bit more in depth, whereas I feel like we've had to go pretty quickly with all the science for the billions and billions of years that they represent. Now we're going to be able to go a little bit more in depth and pull back and in depth and pull back. It's really fun, okay? So really, we're going to be looking at this very first part. We're going to be looking at crops and how agriculture and domestication ends up working with our civilizations, and looking at a few cities and states, okay? Pretty soon we start to realize that farming has its advantages, but there are also some things with foraging that we kind of miss as well, and I kind of want us to see that develop here. It's a shortened unit, and the reason why is because it's only the first part, and we're going to start working on something called the Little Big History Project with our next little partial unit, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'm super excited to start this unit with you guys.